sell him, let me eat food. When him
That's your son?
Yes,
your little son.
The one we born with it.
So your little son, when you have it, he used to go out as a boy and go look food
for me, because me couldn't come out because my maga so sore over my eyelash, sore in my mouth, sore all over me. Me look like me have sore from me now?
No, sir.
Okay.
Rabble Rabble Show, I got chat to them and make them chat for it. Rabble Rabble, you don't know sir, the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger. And on this platform, we do things different.
Yeah. I've been through a lot. I've been through many hungries, many days. What a hunger and sufferation. When me take sick in 2002, they owe me in my house 1 year and 6 months. Me in the 6 before me come out go to hospital. It's a friend of mine from Greenwich Farm come and say, sis, you can't stay. You have to go to hospital. Me I weigh 230 pounds. I'm come down to 110. Everybody in my community scan me. You don't know who have AIDS. That there. Who did they with that the bad man there, that the bad man there. And let me tell you something, that bad man, I don't think him have it. If he even did have it, in dead. Because after 3 months him escape him dead. You understand what I mean? And let me tell you something, brethren. God stood by me.
Amen.
Me know every pastor. Me know every church. Me and my baby walk at every church for healing. Every church will go for healing, my brother. Trust me. And let me tell you something. That little...
Yeah, go again.
And him don't go school because I'm sickly.
Sorry about that, folks. Yeah,
and him go do sell cheese chip and wipes up a New Kingston at the stoplight. And bring food, come give me for my sick bed to eat at 8-year-old. My big pitney them never do that. Them there around me still them wash my clothes. One time I get mad. Me I burn up all my passport, my bank book, everything.
Jesus.
My head gone, me mad. And let me tell you something, man. God is dear.
Amen.
And let me tell you something, God let me live 26 years. And let me tell you something. He might make me live 20 more 6 years.
In the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Discrimination no good.
People don't hear that.
Bring me down.
People, hold on, I want you to stick right there, son. You see, people, and we must encourage other persons. We are all human beings, and it hurts. It hurts. Nobody want to be sick. Sickness not be. Nobody no but take up sickness and say me want that sickness. I me like it. So how you gonna discriminate about against somebody with a sickness? Try remember, you know, sickness no pardon nobody.
Nobody at all.
It no have no color prejudice. It no race prejudice. It no care if you're rich. It don't care if you're poor.
And it don't care if you're young or you're
old. So you know what, just continue.
And let me tell you something, man. When him go sell him, let me eat food. When him
that's your son?
Yes,
your little son.
The one we born with it.
So your little son, when you have it, he used to go out as a boy and go look food
for me, because me couldn't come out because my maga so sore over my eyelash, sore in my mouth, sore all over me. Me look like me have sore from me now?
No, sir.
Okay.
You tell us I could have never tell.
Oh,
I couldn't tell.
I dead me dead. One of the times as I me beg God kill me. Me ask God for take my life. Me lay down on the ground and say, why take my life, God? Do kill me, but God not ready for me yet because me have things to do.
Hallelujah.
I go to KPH. One of the time when the sickness take me, my stomach a tear out. I go to Kingston Public Hospital. I go to Kaz. I said to the nurse, the doctor Kaz say I am HIV positive and I need assistance. No, come like me, I got dead. And then put me in a corner. For sit down for 3 hours. Everybody pass and look for me. But I think if I did admit in that hospital, I would have died. And I never admit yet. All of my admission them in my house. And let me tell you something, my daughter come for me and take me to one private doctor. Yesterday I go to the private doctor too. And see them, I have a prescription. When I go there yesterday because I have to struggle with something else. And at that doctor, when him look for me, he can't believe. I even start me on the ARV them.
It's a prescription.
Yeah.
It's a prescription.
him start me upon the ARVs. And I start take it. And when I couldn't buy the ARV, when I time my grandmother send money from Canada for me and my auntie. And I use it and buy a bottle of pill. And she come and she walk in the whole community. Tell them so my grandmother send money for me and I use my money buy AIDS pill. Right now I don't talk to that auntie. I don't have her up. But I don't talk to her because when she should have hold my back and keep my secret, she discriminate me.
People can't afford to let them own.
I discriminate my brethren, but I tell them I have a story, man. I want somebody help me to write my book because my book I got
no, me I tell you. Me I tell you.
Me have a story.
Me I tell you that.
Let me tell you something, man. When me left KPH, man, me say me that go back there to the nurse and go tell her, I say, see me here. You never look after him, but see me here.
Amen. Look what God done.
Look at the Lord has done. He healed my body. He touched my mind. He saved me right on time. I'm gonna praise his name.
Hallelujah.
His name is just the same. I'm gonna praise him. I'm gonna praise him. Look what the Lord has done.
People, I wish I could show you, but you know what she said to me? She said to me, she says, Zazan, in due time, she will come out publicly. Because she know her story can help other people. But for now, for her own safety, I can't do it.
I wear a work.
And also even on her job. So, you know, she a share.
Yeah, and let me tell you something, man. God is good.
Amen.
All the time.
All the time.
And I struggle with my son with the sickness till him died. He never want to take him medication, like him get fed up.
Right?
And him died. And let me tell you something, I never have a dollar for bury him. But God so good. Let me tell you how God good, Zazan. My grandmother dead. And my uncle come from foreign, come bury my grandmother the Sunday, and my son dead the Monday. And the money with them, they go share up with the family member and put it in my hand and say bury him. So God never did that provide. God never did that provide.
Look at God. So the money what we're supposed to share up for the family. Him does say take that
me nah let go off of God, man. Me not perfect, you know. Me nah go tell you say me perfect.
No, we are.
None of we not perfect. No, God alone perfect. But me saying time you fall, you just get up back and brush off and go again. Amen. And let me tell you, me I live for God. Me get baptized after my years, 26 years. And my church. Brethren, let me tell you something, and everybody in a church.
Some church folks when they listen this.
Yes.
Some of the church member listen
and
this.
Everybody in a church, I go to heaven. I mean, I ask God every day to help me to make it in. And that's before I go there, so. You see, before I give my life to the Lord, remember one day me a dream, and me sit down at one bar pizza at the area where we used to live. And like a book come in front of me, and the leaf a skip. And I saw the leaf a skip, so I can't get to read what in the book. And so when the book about to close, God is gonna make you live forever. What that means, son?
In the Lamb's book of life,
God is gonna make you live forever.
Uncle Jesus.
And let me tell you something, man. The day I go through my struggle, I'm like Job. I am like Job and the lady with the issue of blood. Me nah give up on God. Me nah give up. And brethren, me struggle with 6 children I have. I struggle with the whole of them. The whole of them, me struggle with them. Right now, I one day by my side. And at the second to last one. And let me tell
you, Brown, how you doing? Jackie Gunter, Tanya Duncan, Deli Lovely Smiles, Jacinette Temple, big up. Ratigan, Kim Silvera, God of Christ, long time I see you. Yeah, my friend.
But me tell you about the church system, brother, them now. Me in one church when I get saved, when I find out I'm pregnant.
No call the church name,
no, me couldn't do that.
Alright.
I'm going to give my life to the Lord in the church. I'm there, I'm worship till them give me space to look out for the old people. Them. I'm bathe the old people. I'm take the best care of the old people. Them. I'm going to tell you something, sickness take me. And when sickness take me down, I have to go home and the pastor said, I love the pastor. The pastor said, she there for and she going to do an operation. And she said, continue give her her pay.
Oh, Jesus.
And
Good
every week,
woman, I got that.
May I get my Ilvin up, same way till member in the church. So she now work again and every week she'll send for Ilvin up. Them all going to pick them bad when them go over there for the Ilvin up. But me didn't need it. When me say me never did want it, me didn't need it because I'm sick and I'm hungry and I want food.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.